Greetings children. Let's start studying Chapter 15, Some Natural Phenomena Solutions for Class 8. Let's begin. Question 1. What are the two kinds of electric charges? Answer. There are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. Like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Question 2. What kind of electric charge is acquired? A. By a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. B. By a plastic comb rubbed with dry hair. Answer. A. After rubbing the glass rod with silk cloth, the glass rod becomes positively charged. The silk cloth becomes negatively charged. B. The plastic comb acquires negative charge when it is rubbed with dry hair. Question 3. What type of electric charge is acquired by a rubber balloon when rubbed with a woolen cloth? Answer. The rubber balloon becomes negatively charged when rubbed with a woolen cloth. Question 4. A negatively charged object attracts another charged object placed near it. What is the nature of charge on the other object? Answer. The nature of charge on the other object will be positive. This is because like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Question 5. A positively charged object repels another charged object kept close to it. What is the nature of charge on the other object? Answer. The nature of charge on the other object will be positive. This is because like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Question 6. A negatively charged object repels another charged object held near it. What is the nature of charge on the other object? Answer. The nature of charge on the other object is negative. This is because like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Question 7. A glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth. What type of charge is acquired by A. Silk cloth, B. Glass rod? Answer. After rubbing the glass rod with silk cloth, the glass rod becomes positively charged. The silk cloth becomes negatively charged. Question 8. An inflated rubber balloon and a woolen cloth are rubbed together. What type of charge is acquired by A. Woolen cloth, and B. Rubber balloon? Answer. The rubber balloon becomes negatively charged when rubbed with a woolen cloth. The woolen cloth acquires a positive charge. Question 9. Name the device to detect electric charge on a body. Answer. Electroscope is the device which is used to detect charge on a body. It is used for detecting, measuring and finding the nature of a charge. Question 10. When an object is touched with the metal top of an electroscope, its aluminum leaves diverge. What conclusion do you get from this observation? Answer. If the leaves of the electroscope diverge or open up when an object is touched, the body is charged. The extent of divergence or opening up of the leaves is a measure of the charge on the body. A body with higher charge will cause greater opening up of the leaves. Question 11. What name is given to the flash of light which occurs in the sky during the rainy season? Answer. Lightning is the name given to the flash of light which occurs in the sky during the rainy season. The process of electric discharge between clouds and the earth or between different clouds causes lightning. Question 12. Why should a person not stand under a tree during a thunderstorm? Answer. Trees are usually the tallest objects around and have many pointy tips. The electric fields is strong near the pointed tips. The current from a lightning may leave the tree and jump over to the person standing near the tree. The current will then follow from the body of the person on its way to the ground. Question 13. Name the scientist who showed that lightning is electric in nature. Answer. Benjamin Franklin is the scientist who showed that lightning is electric in nature. He discovered many things about lightning and was the first to show that a thunderstorm lets out electricity. Question 14. Name the device which is used to protect a tall building from lightning. Answer. Lightning conductor is a device which is used to protect a tall building from lightning. A metallic rod, taller than the building, is installed in the walls of the building during its construction.
Question 15. What name is given to the phenomenon in which the earth shakes suddenly for a very short time? Answer. Earthquake is the phenomenon in which the earth shakes suddenly for a very short time. It is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth's crust. Question 16. Name one destructive natural phenomenon which cannot be predicted in advance. Answer: earthquake is the destructive natural phenomenon which cannot be predicted in advance. The earthquakes can cause floods, landslides and tsunamis. Most earthquakes are caused by the movement of Earth's plates. Question 17. List 3 states in India where earthquakes are more likely to occur. Answer: the states in India where earthquakes are most likely to occur are Kashmir, Western and Central Himalayas, the whole of Northeast, Rann of Kutch, Rajasthan and the Indo-Gangetic Plain.
Question 18. Name the instrument used to measure and record an earthquake. Answer: seismograph is the instrument which is used to measure and record an earthquake. The tremors produce waves on the surface of the earth. These are called seismic waves. These waves are recorded by the seismograph. Question 19. What was the magnitude of Bhuj and Kashmir earthquakes on the Richter scale? Answer: the magnitude of Bhuj and Kashmir earthquakes on the Richter scale was more than 7.5. The destructive earthquakes have magnitudes higher than 7 on the Richter scale. Question 20. Name the scale on which the magnitude, or intensity, of an earthquake is expressed. Answer: there are a number of ways to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. But the Richter magnitude scale, often shortened to Richter scale, is the most common standard of measurement for earthquakes. The Richter scale is used to rate the magnitude of an earthquake, that is the amount of energy released during an earthquake.